is being issued by the South Korea and US government. All people should take shelter now. The people in South Korea and US government are not safe. Please take shelter. A creature is being spotted east at the South Korea border. PLS take a ship or plane to go to Mexico. That the safe place for now. We will update shortly as the creature makes our lives unsafe. Run, 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 run. The creature have been spotted in all the states. Please say bye to your family and others. Our lives are about to be ended. PLZ go to space right now. Thank you. The spaceship can take 10 people. It is located at East Bard address 1290. Rockmark City. PLZ go now. THXU. May God be with us all.
Can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars